This is S.K. Ghosh. I would like to welcome you to our web seminar today. The topic, as you see, is transitioning to ACI 318.14. The edition previous to the one we will be talking about was 318.11. So today we are talking about changes from 318.11 to 318.14. 318.11 was adopted by the 2012 IPC, which many of you may still be on. 2015 IBC adopted ACI 318.14, the standard we will be talking about during the next 2.5 hours. Okay. And 2018 IBC, which came out in September of 2017 and has really not been adopted anywhere yet, also adopts ACI 318.14. This is just one of two major standards that have not been updated from the 2015 to the 2018 IBC. ACI 318 remains at its 2014 edition. The only other significant standard that did not change from the 2015 to the 2018 IBC is the special design provisions for wind and seismic, which is a wood design standard. The changes from 318.11 to 318.14 are organizational as well as technical. I think by now all of you must be aware that ACI 318 underwent a complete reorganization from ACI 318.11 to 318.14. However, I do not believe it makes sense to spend a lot of time trying to tell you in detail what in 318.11 went where in ACI 318.14. There are cross-reference tables and things like that available that will help you determine that. What I plan to do is to give you the major highlights of the reorganization, and then I will move on to the technical changes, which, contrary to some perceptions that I have seen, are pretty significant in both number and substance. Initially, the expectation was that because of the reorganization, there will be hardly any technical change. That definitely did not turn out to be the case. So there are significant technical changes that we will be talking about. So we will start with the organizational changes and then go on to the technical changes. The last major reorganization of ACI 318 was from the 1963 to the 1971 edition. This was obviously a long time ago, and that was a pretty drastic reorganization. The organization of ACI 318.71 remained essentially intact through the 2011 edition of ACI 318. Now, in that space of time, there were 8 more editions of ACI 318 between 1971 and 2011. And in that space of time, the thickness of the document grew. Now, this comparison shown by the photograph is a little bit unfair because back in the days of 1971 318, the commentary was in a separate volume. So we should have put the two volumes together because now the commentary is included with the standard. But even then, the volume has expanded, more things are covered, a lot of stuff has happened. What did not change through 3.18.11 is the basic organization of the document, the sequence in which material is presented and so forth. Okay? That has changed in a big way in ACI 3.18.14.